shosho bafethu welcome back to speaker nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna ukucomment nje ngendaba ka Mr Magic uLinda Sibiya okade hostel lapha iTop 10 yeSong of the Year eGagasini FM. So umbuzo umile kubantu abaningi ukuthi mhlawumbe iGagas lizomqasha uLinda Sibiya, mhlawumbe bekuyinto etemporary noma mhlawumbe ikhona into ezaphi because siyazi season radio iyasondela uApril weza. So mina ngifuna nje ukubala I think into abangayibhenefita kakhulu eGagas FM if lingaqasha uLinda Sibiya because next year kwabantu abangazi iGagas FM next year li celebrate u20 years likhona because iGagas la established ngo2006. So this coming year bathena u20 years ngomhla I'm not sure mhla 13 March but ngo March nje bathena u20 years. So I think ngaba yisigning enhle kakhulu mabengathatha uLinda Sibiya be celebrate u20 years because banabo abasakaza abaningi abantswembu but I think balekha lapha ku experience lakho umuntu osebekhona ku city radio. Yes ukhona uAlex but ngeke ngimbala Alex kakhulu because uAlex umuntu owomphathi lapha, so useyisina lapha eGagasini. So I think bamdinga umuntu ozoba semoyeni une-experience njengoLinda. I think anga-add value kakhulu. Another thing angafika i-add uLinda Sibiya lapha because uLinda Sibiya ube ku-radio isikhathi eside and uconnected, uke wenza into efana nabo-Magic Tour and uke wenza one of the biggest thing Ukhozi elalingxenye yalo and yayi-connected through uLinda. Khona into eyenza lapha eMaritzburg ibizwa nge-Royal Show isenzeka namanje but ayisabikho la show leya host Ukhozi FM because wanted uLinda Sibiya ngaphuma Ukhozi FM then noKhozi FM lapha eRoyal Show eMaritzburg balikhipha because lalingene ngaye lapha. So I think iGagas malingamthatha uLinda Sibiya bengayitracka leyo nto ke and abantu baseMaritzburg bengabenefita kakhulu because iRoyal Show ground isiyaba nje into ephuphele because ayisabikho leya show ayiba khona ngolast year. I think mangabuya uLinda Sibiya ngene eGagasini then iGagas li hostel ya show yalapha eRoyal Show yo ayinkulu into engenza lapha eMaritzburg ngo-first weekend kaJune la kwenzela khona iRoyal Show lapha eMaritzburg eRoyal Show ground. So I think nje bengabenefita kakhulu nawo ma-motivation because iGagas FM selazama na ukuthi liphinde lenze amanye ama-show not la wagcile kakhulu ku-entertainment nje. Ngiyabona indlela abazama ukushifta ngayo even sekunama-shows amaningi a-sponsor show government like there is a show kanjebs le eyo-9 to 12. I think yona show naye ethanda ungenisa i-revenue eningi kakhulu eGagasini lapha. So I think mabengathatha noLinda lapha kuningi abangibhenefita because uLinda usewumuntu o-connected kakhulu even nama-political parties lapha, useyilowo muntu nje lapho. So I think samdinga ke radio but umbuzo omkhulu uzoba kubantu abaningi ukuthi mhlambe engangena apha eGagasini uLinda Sibiya because uLinda umuntu omkhulu lapha awukwazi umnika noma ngayiphi show etekatekayo. So makuthiwa bamthatha uLinda lapha I think umuntu ozothanda ukuthi mhlawumbe umsebenzi wakho ube sengcupheni makuthatha uLinda Sibiya even though uyena umuntu I feel like ubamba umsakazi eGagasini uFelix Hlophe but uLinda Sibiya angibone ngisho angayenza ngaphandle kwe-breakfast show because umuntu omkhulu unless mhlawumbe mangathiwa aka-host no-Felix and I don't think bengalenda kahle because uLinda Sibiya uyi-leader no-Felix uyi-leader lapha. So mabesakaza bobabili kugcina la bafuna ukukhuluma bobabili because bawu-2 like abawona ama-co-host lapha. So angazi or else maybe ngamthatha bemfaka kwi-drive but mina I feel like ishow edinga mhlawumbe ispace even though ngabona ngathi suitable for uLinda Sibiya. Leya show yasemini lana 12 to 3 iyamdinga mhlawumbe umuntu ozothi la kuyibambi be-stable. Bakhona oSonic lapha benokhaya Mthetho but I think yona show engekho balance kula mashow yasemina. Angazi khona into eshodayo nje kuyona leyo show but ke asazi ukuthi bizothini iGagas FM because okwamanje uFelix umisiwe mhlawumbe uLinda uzobuya ezoshaya ibreakfast okwesikhashana until kuze kubuye uFelix eRadio or else maybe uzolinda uApril but mina personal I think ikhona into abayipheka eGagasini. So I think uLinda Sibiya when it's come to i-radio season uzo-announce lapha umsakazo omusha eGagasini ukuthi uzongenela abanike ubani uzohamba but I think baningi abantu engishawa uvalo on their behalf because even nalezi drive lapha showcase uLinda mangathi uyabuyisela mhlawumbe ezoshaya i-drive lapha uLinda Sibiya because siyamazi ukuthi wayenza isikhathi eside lapha. So mawuthi iGagas liyamthatha lapha elizogena abalaleli abaningi ngaleso sikhathi. So nje asazi bayapheka lapha eGagasini but mina I think ngaba happy kakhulu uzwa nje uLinda ebuye eRadweni because une-impact enkulu beside nje uba seRadweni. Le show yakhe lena akayenza kuma-varsity iMagic Tour yadiscover abantu abaningi and sayadinga into efana nalezo because awasekho amashow amaningi eMzansi adiscover abantu. So mangathi uLinda uyabuya enza i-partnership neGagas because iGagas lihlezi li-ready for ama-shows benza ama-Magic Tour. I think yeah iGagas lingenza kakhulu futhi nawe ulinda lakhe ngaphinde i-discover abantu abaningi because uyayidinga leyo. Ngimzwile ngimlalele laphana ngomhla ka-31 uyayidinga lento okubuya eredweni even though esarastile because one thing engiyinotisile ngathi ngimlalela laphana uLinda Sibiya akekho intune ngezinto ezenzakala ku-music because usebe offer radio isikhathi eside. So umusic noma ede udlala laphana ingoma eningi lakhe akanayo i-history ye-music noma ama-artist lawa amasha because yabo useke wathi ukuba off isikhathi eside kanti before i-social media ingoma eningi ezizaziwe lakhe abomlilo za-break uLinda uyena umuntu ohleze netori because ingoma zafila kene ezandleni zakhe break ama-artist amaningi but ngithe ngimlalela laphana ngezwe ukuthi okay I think usarastile kumlindo sesamele ethu ukuba intune nezinto ezenzakala because iningi izinto eseshintshile but nje awazebi ukuthi ngibone lento eyenziwe eGagasi bese nje ukunyazi uKhozi when it comes to Song of the Year because uKhozi FM bese beyithatha kancane landi but this ngibabonile nawe bavukile emaqandeni and bathatha bathintitha ngempela i-top 10 yabo nabo iqondile and I think balenza iqiniso nje but le video bekuyaLinda Sibiya nje. So sekhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe sikhona na TikTok sispeaker nawe, Instagram sispeaker nawe. Awe we out.